Today I'm going to be showing you how to make fluffy slime without shaping things. So first you'll be needing a bowl, something to stir with, usually a popsicle stick, some glue, contact solution, some lotion, some baking soda, and the thing that makes it fluffy is foam soap, I guess. It's really bad foam soap, but that's all I have. So first you want to pour in your glue. Probably, probably about this much. So, okay, I might just leave it. Okay, now you want to add at least, I think it's 2 pumps. I don't really remember. I used actually 5. Okay, so now you want to mix it up. Okay. Now you want to add your lotion. About 3 pumps. That's what makes it stretchy. Okay. Now you want to, I'm just going to eyeball this well, so what the heck. That's how it's going. This really isn't good glue, so I have to put a lot of baking soda. Okay, when the glue mixture gets starting to be thicker, you want to add a little bit of your contact solution. Not a lot, though. Starting to come together. Just don't add a lot. This is a really horrible glue. Starting to come together. I have to add a lot because this one is not. I don't think it's paper. Let me see. It doesn't even say it. It doesn't even say it what the ingredients are. What the heck? Does glue even say ingredients? Oops. Boric acid, guys. It has the boric acid. starting to come together. I have to add a little bit more baking soda to make it more thicker. Actually, I feel like this is okay. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna take it out of the bowl. I might have to add Sorry, this is a horrible video. What time is it? 5. I really think this is a fail, but it technically kind of worked. Really nice texture. More pops to make it more fluffy. Not really sticky. One pump. Kind of pinkish looks like the ocean. What time is it? It's 8 in the morning right now for me, so. Really good smell, actually. Very stretchy, but not really thick. There you go. You can add perfume if you want to make it smell better, but that's optional, but I'm not gonna do it. That's what I usually do, but no, you don't. Actually, this wasn't a fail at all. This is just you need to play with it. It's really not like one of my best slimes ever. So yeah. Getting some of the rest of the slime that was in the bowl, but it was really sticky. doing these tutorials with the right color slime. It's horrible. It really is fluffy, it's just not that fluffy. Kind of more like a regular slime. So yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video on how to make fluffy slime without the shaving cream. And I hope you and please like and subscribe this video. And yeah, well, yeah. So bye.